king of fruits. I like it very much.
वेरी गुड.
Assalamualaikum.
वालेकुम सलाम. जी अल्फा, बताइए बेटे.
This is a mango and it is yellow in color and it is sweet and taste and it is king of fruits and I like to eat mango. This is a mango. I like to eat mango.
Very good. It is
It is yellow in fruit. It is yellow in color. It is
king
king of fruit. It is king of fruit.
शाबाश. आगे.
It is sweet and tail. This is a rolling pin. This is a brown in color. This is a made of wood. It is used for rolling dough. This is a mango. It is yellow in color. It is sweet in taste. It is king of fruits. I like to eat mango.
Start.
Hello, my name is Mohammed Jafar. This is my kitchen. This is bowl. This is plate. This is cup. This is knife. This is spoon.
Thank you, Zafa. And how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay.
This is pan. Mama, fry an omelette. This is pan. Hello, hi. My name is Mohammed Tayyab.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Mohammed, tell me 4 wild animals.
Lion, tiger, bear, fox, and
Okay.
baby,
And lion baby
cow,
called.
cub.
And lion food.
No.
Lion food.
Lion food me.
Yes. And lion home.
Then
Lion home is den. Good. And tiger baby called.
tiger baby called cub and food meat
And home.
and then
Okay. And bear baby called.
bear baby called cub and for meat eat and for
And home.
and home. Then
Okay.
and fox baby called cub and for meat for color meat for eat meat
Yes.
and
Fox home.
fox
Home is the